Welcome to TechFix AI. Everyone says Grok AI can only make vertical videos, but that's not true. I found a free trick to make HD horizontal AI videos right inside Grok. Let me show you. By default, Grok locks everything to vertical. Perfect for TikTok, not for YouTube or widescreen projects. But there's a simple workaround that gives you full HD results. Step 1. Create your horizontal image outside Grok. Use any free AI image generator like Leonardo AI, Ideogram, or Bing Image Creator and make a 16:9 horizontal image. Save it to your computer. That'll be your base frame. Step 2. Upload to Grok AI. Open Grok's Video tab and import that horizontal image instead of generating one inside Grok. Step 3. Adjust the frame. If Grok tries to crop it vertically, just drag the frame wider or set the same 16:9 aspect ratio manually. Step 4. Generate the video. Now hit Generate. Grok will animate your horizontal image and export a 1504 by 832 video. That's true HD quality, a bit higher than 720p. Step 5. Optional upscale for even sharper results. If you want it closer to full HD 1080p, drop the clip into a free AI upscaler like Pixop, Upscale.media, or DaVinci Resolve Superscale. In seconds, you'll have a clean, cinematic horizontal video ready for YouTube. Here's the difference: vertical versus horizontal. Same AI, but now it's widescreen HD. If you're in love testing new AI tools, hit subscribe. I share free, creator-friendly AI hacks every week. No paid plans, no fluff, just real results. And if you want more unique tech and AI news, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.